Hey guys, in today's video I am going to talk about my worst flips. My worst reselling flips. I made a video telling you guys my best flips, and I decided to make a worst flips video, okay? I don't know how many I have. I tried to get 10. I don't know if I was successful in getting 10. Okay, so this is in no particular order. Okay, first thing is this Harry Potter t-shirt. I sold it for $4. No, I paid 99 cents for it, so like what is my profit on it? Like $1. I got this shirt because, I don't know, I thought like, hey, people like Harry Potter, it's so cool, oh my gosh. I've never seen Harry Potter, but yeah, I don't know, I thought people would like the shirt, and no, they didn't. So I sold it for $4. I was just glad to see it go, honestly. Look at this picture. This is back when I took pictures on like the back of my door. Cool. These Lululemon leggings. I can't film videos past, like, it's 4:30 right now. I can't film videos late in the day because my mind is just like, meh. Okay, so these are Lululemon still crop sweatpants. I sold these for $7. I remember exactly where I got these. I got these at a yard sale. Oh my gosh. It was when I first started reselling. If I knew what I knew now, I probably would have bought everything that the friggin' lady had. She had so many great things. She had Patagonia, she had Lululemon, she had North Face stuff, she had tons of Nike shoes, she had Coach and Dooney and Burke bags. Like, she just had a lot of good stuff. And I clearly didn't know what I was doing because I sold these friggin' sweatpants for $7. I think somebody sent me an offer. I'm just like, okay, yeah, cool, yeah, Great job, Vanessa. Great job. And then this Vineyard Vines fleece jacket, I sold it for $8. I mean, it was like a really tiny size and extra small, but still, I could have at least got like friggin' 15 for it, but I sold it for $8. Like, what was I thinking? I don't even know. What? I don't know. Also, I sold for $8 a North Face friggin' jacket. This was a like a breast cancer awareness jacket. It had like the little pink ribbon on it. Yeah, it was in really good condition. It was super cute. It was pink and black. I sold it for $8. Like, what? This actually was back when I was just getting rid of my own things out of my closet and I didn't really care about making a profit, so I guess I can kind of justify it that way. But still, $8 for a North Face jacket. That's what I would want to pay at like the thrift store, like not on Poshmark, you know, like not selling and all right, what else do we have? Okay, these Nike Pro shorts, super cute. Sold them for $8. I mean, what? They're size medium. They were super cute. $8. Like, I don't even, why, I don't, okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, these, so I dabbled in the Poshmark wholesale market. I bought, actually these shoes, and then, where are they? These sneakers. So I bought, I don't know how many pairs of each, 5 pairs of each, 5 or 8 pairs of each. Yeah, big mistake. I sold a couple of them for like $25. I think I sold a pair for $30. The sneakers included, like both pairs. But the majority of them I sold for cheap, like $9. This one's $9. I have another one that's $9. And then these pink ones I sold for $10. That was just a mistake. It was when I first started reselling and I just dabbled in the wholesale. I'm like, oh, these are cute, these are cute. Yeah, no, not cool. And then what else do we have? Oh my gosh, I bought, where did I get this lot from? Maybe it was B&G Trading. I bought a box of Free People bras, and I just, nah. I did sell a couple of them for like $25. I think I sold one for $28. My battery light is fucking flashing. Hold on. But the majority of them I sold for like super cheap. Like I sold this for $9.99. A lot of $9 ones, a couple of $8 ones, $10. My average cost for those, actually I think it was like $3 and something. You sell a bunch for $9, and then $9 minus the $2.95 Poshmark takes. And then if I give a shipping discount, like, no, it's not, nope. Yeah, and it took a while for me to sell all those as well. I'm pretty sure I sold all of them. Yeah, I sold like the final one over the summer. It took like a year to sell them, and just no. I hear people talk about like, oh, Free People intimates, like Free People bras and stuff, they do so well, but no. And I had a good variety of sizes too. I had like small to large sizes, so I don't know what it was. Were they ugly? I don't know. The bandeau ones I thought were kind of ugly, but the other ones were cute. I don't know what it was, but I'm not buying Free People friggin' anything anymore. Actually, I found a Free People sweater over the weekend and it was cute, but most of the time when I see Free People, I'm just kind of like, Free People, you know, like unless it's like a super crazy, amazing looking thing. Okay, so that is it. Those are some bad flips that I found recently. I could do another one of these videos because that's definitely not it. That's not all my bad flips. I have had some other bad flips, yes. Comment down below and let me know if you want to see more of these videos. And yeah, you should comment down below and tell me what your worst flip was. All right, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.